I was seeing the storm or the hurricane for the first time at this size, doing such damage in other parishes, and was led to help. I mean, the least you do to one of God's children, you do it unto Him. So it was amazing for me to have that vision or that zeal, want to help. But it was really heart-touching when you go and see the condition of people, the way how they were hungry and thirsty and everything else, you know, lose their house, lose their job, lose their furniture, lose every single thing that they own was gone. So I take the opportunity of cooking meals, going to serve them. I have done it 2 times now. One was completely by myself, where I feed 400 people. And this time, last time I did it, it was on behalf of myself, plus the Caribbean Christian Center for the Deaf team. When I go out there and see how people are really in need of things, when you look at their face in some of the areas, and when you can see the distress in their face. You can see that they really want help, you know, and seeing that, your heart melts. You'll want to go help as best as you can. You know, sometimes you don't even know where it's coming from or where it's going to, but you just trust the Lord to open ways for you to do this for His children. Just want to say, if you are out there and you have seen this and you are led by the Lord to do something, do it. Your blessings await you when you do something like this. We don't know what will happen to us or who will want to help us. Or even if it's not happening to us, our children and our grandchildren is there awaiting the blessing that we work for. My name is Veronica Fuller, and I've been a part of CCCD for 33 years.